Vusi Matlala's relationship with Brown Mokgotsi, Senzo Mchunu, and Bheki Cele are at the center of a corruption scandal involving South Africa's police services. My name is Oalokwan, and it seems like the only time we'll have a break in this country is when we have ourselves a Kit Kat. Now, Matlala's testimony contradicts previous witnesses, including Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who presented WhatsApp evidence linking Matlala to ANC funding through senior SAPS officials. Now, businessman Brown Mokgotsi testified that Matlala claimed former Minister Bheki Cele and National Commissioner Fanny Masemula demanded millions from Matlala as payment. Mokgotsi also revealed Matlala's alleged connection to John Wick, a notorious figure in organized crime. But Vusi Matlala denied any wrongdoing, claiming that he's been unfairly targeted. He admitted to knowing senior police officials, including Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya, but denied any corrupt dealings. Now, Matlala's testimony is expected to shed light on alleged corruption and police infiltration. Now, also, Matlala claims Mokgotsi introduced him to Mchunu and he paid Mokgotsi 200,000 for ANC celebration expenses. And also, Matlala claims that Mchunu used him for political gain and he funded Mchunu's presidential campaign. But Mchunu denied any links to Matlala, and Mchunu went as far as calling Brown Mokgotsi just a comrade and not an associate. Now, these relationships are under investigation with allegations of corruption, police capture, and interference in the justice system. And the former police minister Bheki Cele admitted meeting Vusi Matlala but denies being friends or business partners. Now, phone records show Bheki Cele and Vusi Matlala were in contact, raising questions about their relationship. But during the ad hoc committee, Vusi Matlala said he gave the former police minister Bheki Cele sums of 300,000 and 200,000. And he also said that Bheki Cele accused him of not showing appreciation after Bheki Cele has helped him. And also, one of the allegations and controversies is that Vusi Matlala is linked to a 360 million SAPS Health Service contract awarded to his company, Medicare 24 Tshwane District, despite red flags and irregularities. And in response, Vusi Matlala said that he can't be held responsible for the SAPS's failure to exercise due diligence on the 360 million tender contract. But the 360 million tender contract was then reviewed by the suspended police minister, Senzo Mchunu, citing suspicions of wrongdoings. So basically, according to Vusmuzi Matlala, Senzo Mchunu and Bheki Cele lied under oath. Now, the investigations are still ongoing, but what are your thoughts?